In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add more than one accessory in Roblox. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you need to do to equip multiple accessories at once is to go to the Roblox website instead of using the Roblox app or the Roblox launcher. You can also do this either on your computer or your phone. Like I said, just go to the Roblox website. After arriving at the website, select Avatar from the left-sided menu and then go over to the Accessories tab and select the type of accessories that you want to wire multiple of. Once you go into the Accessories tab, for the corresponding accessories, simply equip the first one you want to use. As you can see, I'm using these orange shades and I want to equip the stylish aviators on top. So all I have to do now is right-click the stylish aviators and open link in new tab, or simply hold and click on mobile to open this link on a new tab. Now, on the new tab, I can see a bunch of numbers in the URL of the new item. So just copy these numbers and go back to your avatar page. Inside the same Accessories tab, as you can see Accessories Face, you can find the Advanced button and click on it. And in here are all the items that you are currently wearing. You simply have to copy the numbers for the accessory that you want to wear alongside your other accessories and paste them on one of these empty slots and then click Save. As soon as you click Save, as you can see, your character is going to equip both accessories at once. I hope I was able to help you on how to add more than one accessory in Roblox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.